fjord in Sweden, Norway. It's home to a variety of creatures, plants, and Norwegian tourists. Among them, there's a peculiar plant which grows far too close to shore and in the water. Its name, Fucus vesiculosus. The ability of these photosynthetic organisms to adapt to or resist the rapid changes in temperature will become paramount in the coming years. That's why scientists and specialists at Tajarno Marine Laboratory are looking into changes in temperature and the effect that has on photosynthetic pigments. They're looking specifically at 30 degrees Celsius, a normal summer day in Spanish Gibraltar. Hi, thank you for being here. Please tell us your name.
My name's Samuel Gibson. I'm a researcher here in Tajarno Research Centre, and I have a special interest in kelp, specifically Fucus vesiculosus.
Why are you so interested in that brown plant?
First of all, it's not a plant, and this brown algae, spatially, it inhabits the coasts of Sweden, Norway, British Isles, and North America. It's very important, as you know, it is full of chlorophyll and carotenoids, which are primary and secondary metabolites, which allow it to photosynthesize. Long story short, they convert CO2 into oxygen, which we need to breathe.
The scientists will collect specimens of Fucus vesiculosus from the coast of Tarno and transport them to the wet laboratory on the ground floor. They are putting several specimens of Fucus inside a temperature-controlled bath for a maximum of 72 hours and measuring their levels of pigments every 24 hours in 2 rooms, one at 70 degrees Celsius and another at 30 degrees Celsius. They do it to see if there is a decrease in the pigment concentration if a sudden heat wave appears, which would mean less photosynthetic activity, in theory.
Having been here for a couple of days, I've been able to roam around the lab and see how the scientists are setting up their experiment, including putting together some temperature sensors, like this one you see here. It's like a Lego set. I've also seen how the plants are changing the color of the water to something more like whiskey. Believe me, it does not taste like it. Hello, Mari.
Hi.
Thank you for having this interview. So did you have any conclusive results from your study?
Well, the statistical analysis of our results was not significant enough to prove a difference. However, from the visual observations like color change and the production of mucus-like substance, we can say for sure there is something happening. We believe that in a more controlled environment over a longer period of time, we will be able to see more significant differences between the temperatures.
But one thing is for sure, I would not want to be that algae after 72 hours.